Okay, question 10 part E. A student visits a website that uses session cookies instead of persistent cookies. Explain the difference between session cookies and persistent cookies. So persistent cookies are cookies that stay around, they're persistent, they don't go. So they're stored on the hard drive. Session cookies are cookies that are only around for the browsing session that you're currently using. So once you close down the browser, those cookies are deleted. So we can explain what each one is, and then we'll give a reason which highlights the difference between the two, and that'll get us the 4 marks. So let's start off with persistent cookies. So let's say persistent cookies stay on the computer even when it is switched off. So that's establishing one fact. Let's say, well, where are they stored? So they're stored on the secondary storage, hard disk drive or solid state drive. That makes them permanent. So let's get that for our second mark. They are stored on secondary storage, e.g. HDD, SSD. So I mean, you can write hard disk drive and solid state drive, but that'll do for me. We can also mention that they will eventually be deleted because when they're programmed, they have to be given an expiry date. So I might just add that as well, because that's a pertinent fact about persistent cookies. They will eventually be deleted as they are programmed with an expiry date. Okay, right, now session cookies. So we mentioned earlier that session cookies are only stored while the browser is open, or is running. So they're deleted when the browser is closed. I probably could have just written that and it would have made things a bit shorter. I'm going to put they are deleted when browser is closed. And then the difference is where will they be stored? So because they're deleted when the browser is closed, they must be stored in the same place as the browser while it's running, which, if you haven't already guessed, is the RAM. So they are stored in RAM. Right, let's see how we've done with that. So session cookies are stored in RAM. Yeah, we just said that. Persistent cookies are stored on hard disk drive secondary storage. So yeah, we've said that there. When the browser is closed, a session cookie is lost. So we have said that as well. They're deleted when the browser is closed. And we've said for persistent cookies, they're not lost. We've actually said both of these points. We actually didn't say when they're deleted by the user. We said they do expire. They're programmed with an expiry date. But as you all know, you could actually, if your computer's running a bit slow, you're running out of memory, you can clear your cookies. That might give you a little bit of space. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that one. So we'll stop this one and then on to the next one. Thank you very much.